Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use the eye tracking to control your iPhone. So, the first thing you have to do is open the settings. Here, wait a moment, I need to lower my brightness level. You need to scroll down till you see the accessibility. Now, scroll down further so that you can see eye tracking. Open that and enable this option. Now, as you can see, we need to center our face in this square. So center your face in this square and move closer to the camera. Wait, the ones I will do here, as you can see my face, and now we are continuing. Now I need to follow the dot with my eyes as it moves around the screen. I'm looking at the blue dot, purple, pink, magenta, orange, red, yellow, blue, purple, now as you can see, this is the final dot, and now as I can see here on the screen, you can see, wait a moment, I need to here. Now, as you can see now on the screen, you see this black dot. This is my eye where I look at right now, and here now that's it. If you configure it correctly, you can do everything. As you can see now, I will wait a moment, change this option, wall control. Yeah, this is difficult to change it, but that's how it works. If you want to disable the eye tracking, just tap this option to disable, and then yes. Of course, you need to configure your eye control back again. But that's how it works. Goodbye.